Do you need some healthy snacks to pack to help you stay on track? Wait, that rhymed. Come on now. I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you some of my top snacks I like to keep with me on a daily basis. If you're busy like me, you're always on the go. And so being on the go, we have to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I say that all the time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some of my top snacks that I like to have that'll keep me from snacking on stuff I shouldn't be snacking on. That'll actually help me get to the next meal as healthiest way possible. Now, the thing with these snacks is you have to measure it out. I say that a lot. You have to measure it out. You have to get you a scale. You have to get you some measuring cups and you have to measure it out. So what I'm gonna show you is a couple servings of some snacks that I like to use to help me stay on track, to get healthy protein, and to really hold myself accountable, okay? So check this video out. If that's something that you need, get into the right video. Check these out. Now, first up, one of my favorite snacks, I have these right here. If you've had these, man, you gotta go get you some of these right here. These pumpkin seeds are amazing, all right? These are a great way to get you some protein. It's a healthy snack, especially if you mix it, if you have it with like a carbonated water or maybe like an A&W root beer or a diet soda or something like that, it can really help you get to your next meal. All right, so try these out. The thing about it is one serving is not that much. If you mess around and go this route, that's not gonna work. So what you need to do, you need to measure this out, okay? Because one serving is not that much. Let me show you what I'm talking about. One serving is 180 calories. So one serving is 1/4 cup, all right? 180 calories, 15 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, okay? So thing is, this is one serving, all right? That's not much. Put it in the measuring cup, look at that. Uh-oh, I dropped some. This is one serving. So the thing, because that serving is so small, what I can recommend you do is just go and get you some snack size bags. All right, you're gonna be using these a lot, especially if you're on the go, okay? Get you some snack size bags and just measure out a serving, all right? This is a serving of the pumpkin seeds, okay? So you see that? So this really helps you hold yourself accountable. Don't go try to guess how much pumpkin seeds you're eating, because you're probably going to eat too much because they're so small and they're really good. All right, you're going to end up eating too much and you're going to wonder why you're not hitting your goals. Okay, because remember, one serving is 180 calories. You mess around and get 3 servings of this, that's going to really bump it up. All right, so it can really throw off your game if you're not tracking everything. All right, so this is my first one that I love to have. Let's move on to the next one. These are great. All right, have you tried these? You let me know in the comments, okay? You can buy them at Costco. Costco has a big bag of them, but man, one serving, 14 grams of protein in one serving. You can't beat that. Come on now. And they taste great. All right, these are one of my favorite snacks. If I'm starving and I need to get to the next meal, I have me one serving of these, and usually with a carbonated water or like an A&W root beer. That's what gets me to the next meal. Getting your protein, you got a healthy snack. I just can't recommend these enough, okay? Now, the thing is, once again, you have to measure it. The reason why is, so one serving of this is just 1/3 cup. All right, look how small that is. 1/3 cup is one serving. It's 120 calories, okay? So you can see if you just dump this in a bowl, how those calories can really add up. All right, so once again, what I like to do is just measure it out, put it in the bag, okay? Makes it real simple. You can hold yourself accountable. Okay? Put these in your backpack, whatever you're rolling with, and it's a great snack to have throughout the day. You're going to pick up the kids from school, you get hungry, bam, you have it right here. You're on your way to the gym, you're hungry, bam, you got you a snack any time of day, all right? But you know that you already measured it out. Unless you want to cruise around with this and this, however you want to do it, however you want to roll. I just find those bags are a little bit easier, but you can do that as well. Stick it inside the bag and just roll like that, all right? But hold yourself accountable, measure it out. I cannot stress that enough, okay? Because the calories will add up. If you're not measuring, those calories are going to add up and you're wondering why you're not hitting your goals. It's because you keep having 4 handfuls of this and thinking you only had 1, all right? Because, oh, they're just so good and you're not measuring. I'm telling you, 1/3 cup is not that much, so you have to measure it out, okay? Let's check out the next one. Another one of my favorites, Catalina Crunch. These are amazing. If you've had these, you let me know. You can find them at any store. They have them. Costco has the big bag, but man, these are great. They also have a spicy one. The spicy one's my favorite one. One serving of these is gonna get you 10 grams of protein. Once again, the only problem with one serving is only 1/3 cup. Okay, so you see why you gotta measure this out. So let me show you what that looks like in the bag. This is what it looks like in the bag, okay? That's not much, all right? It's not much at all. So you see why you got to measure it out? Because if not, you're going to mess around and just eat this whole bag. You're going to eat half the bag and wonder why, man, why am I not hitting my goal? It's because I ate the whole bag. Now, one serving of this is only 140 calories, okay? But eat that whole bag, it's going to add up big time, okay? So you have to measure this out. I just can't say that enough. I don't know how else to say it? You got to hold yourself accountable and you got to start tracking your stuff, okay? This is not much. This is one serving, but this is enough, okay, to get you to your next meal, especially if you pair it, like I always say, with the carbonated water or something that's going to help fill your stomach up, all right? But this will help you get to your next meal. Don't go snack on that bad stuff. Just grab you one serving of this. You can't beat it, all right? Another one of my favorite options that I like to roll with that are just so simple are these right here, okay? You can get these anywhere. Costco has a big box of them if you want to get them there, but these are a great option, all right? 30 grams of protein. You chill them, put them over some ice. You can have them for breakfast, for lunch, for a snack. Just a great, easy way to get your protein, and you can just carry them around. It just can't get any easier than that, okay? One bottle is 170 calories, 30 grams of protein. Come on now. It tastes so good. You put them over some ice. Man, they taste great. Let me know if you get down with these. This is the vanilla flavor. If you have a Ninja Creamy, freeze one of these overnight, bam, you got your ice cream tomorrow. I'm trying to tell you, it's so good, okay? You're getting your 30 grams of protein. You can turn it into an ice cream if you want to. If not, you're on the road, you're on the go in the morning, you don't have time to cook breakfast. It's hectic. Oh, what am I gonna have for breakfast, this and that? Boom, grab you one of these, you're out the door, you're drinking this on the way to wherever you gotta go, and you're getting 30 grams of protein. Come on now, you cannot beat that. Keep these in stock, you're gonna be using these, all right? And another one that has come in clutch for me for sure is these right here. Have you seen these? Go check these out. If you're looking for an easy way to get 10 grams of protein right here. So what these are is just some bone broth sticks. All you gotta do, heat up a cup of water, put this in the water, mix it up, and you have an easy way to get you 10 grams of protein. I mean, you can carry these around anywhere. They're just little sticks, okay? They're just powder. Carry them around with you. You need a quick 10 grams of protein. You're looking to try to get you to the next meal, or these are also great at nighttime. If it's nighttime, you haven't hit your protein goals, you might be 10 grams short or so, just make you a nice hot cup of water, add this to it. If you know about these, you let me know, okay? You need to go find these, keep these in the pantry. You will be using them, all right? These things come in clutch. I've used them a couple times already. They taste amazing. You can also cook with them. However you want to get down, it doesn't matter. It's an easy, healthy way to get some more protein. So definitely go check these out, okay? Don't sleep on these now. And while I'm talking about tracking, one thing I always recommend you track as well is your steps. I recommend you track your sleep, because if you ain't tracking, you're slacking. I'm trying to tell you. And one thing that can really help you out, I always recommend you track your steps. I go by a daily step count. At the end of the day, I try to see how many steps I get. And if I haven't gotten enough, I try to get that to make sure I hit that goal the next time. But you have to have some type of tracker. Now, if you're looking for a tracker, people at Run Me Fit actually sent me a watch to check out, and this thing is amazing. I've been pleased with it. If you're looking for a watch to track your steps, to track your sleep, that you can use to really hold you accountable, man, you got to check this out. Let me show you some of the features. Now, one thing I like about this watch, if you can see there, look how bright it is. Look at that. Look how bright that screen is. Okay, it's one of my favorite things is I got this watch, charged it, it kept the charge for over a week. I didn't have to charge it again. So the charge on this watch is amazing. Okay, the screen is super bright. You can get your calls on this watch. Of course, it tracks your steps, it tracks your sleep. The app that it comes with is amazing as well. It's easy to follow, tracks all your information so that you can wake up in the morning, you know exactly how much sleep you got. Did you get good sleep or was it just bad sleep? How many times did you wake up? Things like that. How many steps did you get yesterday? It is just amazing. I've had this watch in the gym. It tracks my workouts. You can do different settings. If you're going for a walk, if you're going for a run, if you're cycling, if you're working out in the gym, whatever kind of workouts you're doing, you can definitely track it with this watch. It is amazing, all right? I've tracked my progress in the gym with this watch. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about charging it all the time. All right, you don't have to worry about getting home. Oh, I got to charge my watch tonight. Oh, is my watch charged in the morning? No, this thing, I had it for over a week and it was still going. You can accept phone calls on it. You get your text on it. You can also, if you have music playing on your phone, you can control it from here as well. You want to skip the song, skip it from the watch. You don't even have to pull your phone out. It's great. So definitely, if you're looking for a watch to track your steps, to track your sleep, to hold you accountable, this one is great. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check this watch out, but man, give them a shot. It has been great. So I always have to talk about one of my favorite chips that are out there, Quest chips. I don't know if it can get any easier. If you're on the go, take your bag of chips with you, whatever flavor. This is the pizza flavor, man. These jokers are great, all right? 19 grams of protein and 140 calories. Come on now. You can fit that into your diet, all right? Quest chips are amazing. If you get down with Quest chips, you let me know in the comments, what is your favorite flavor of Quest chips? No matter what kind of flavors you like, I bet you Quest has one that you're gonna like. If you have a sandwich, have some Quest chips on the side. If you have a burger, skip the fries, have some Quest chips on the side. 19 grams of protein, come on now. Quest chips come in clutch. I'm trying to tell you, there's no more excuses, all right? All right, so there you have it. There are some options that you can take with you that are easy to pack. You can put them in your backpack, in your bag, cooler, or whatever you want to roll with. Measure out a serving and take it with you and track it. Whatever food tracking app you use, I like to use MyFitnessPal. It's free. It's a free download. Go put it in there. The thing is that you're going to start tracking this stuff and you're going to start realizing if you're eating healthy or if you're not eating healthy. All right, so you can't just guess at this stuff. If you're trying to make some changes in your life, something has to change and you have to measure it. All right, you have to start tracking it. If you're not getting the results you want to get, once you start tracking, you're going to see, oh, this is what I've been doing wrong. Oh, that's why, because I thought I was only having 1 serving. I was actually having 4 servings. That's why 100 calories, I was having 400 calories, stuff like that, right? You're just going to start noticing it and it's going to really hold you accountable. So you know, whenever you're going throughout the day, I'm having 1 serving of this, 1 serving of that, and you can track it. At the end of the day, you know exactly how much protein you have, exactly how many calories, fats, carbs, everything. Whatever kind of diet you're trying to run, doesn't matter. Track it and hit your goals, okay? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. Let me know what some of the snacks you like to have throughout the day that help keep you on track. I'll go check those out as well. Try to hit your protein goals and try to snack smart. In order to snack smart, we have to hold ourselves accountable. So try these out. Go get you a scale, go get you some measuring cups, and let me know what you think, all right? Let's go.